You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more useful Irish vocabulary and names of famous places in Ireland, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. It's pronounced Galway. Yes, I know the spelling suggests maybe could be said Galway, but it's actually more of an O sound. Galway. If you want to learn the Irish pronunciation, I've got a video for you. Here it is. I'll link to it right now. But in English, the pronunciation is Galway. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.